How are you, my friends? This is another algebra challenging question. Factor the expression completely. We have x to the power 4 plus x squared plus 25. This is not an easy question. For more algebra challenging questions, please, you can visit the playlist Algebra Challenging Questions. There are many questions there. Let's start. Now we have x to the power 4 plus x squared plus 25. Now, we know this is a trinomial, which means there are three terms. To factor the given here, let's look at the two questions to make it easy on you. If we have x to the power 4 plus 8x squared plus 16, we can see this is directly x squared plus 4 all squared. And we call this perfect square trinomial, which is this formula, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared becomes a plus b all squared. And remember here, we call this middle term 2ab. So 2ab here, we have x squared and we have 4 times the 2 becomes 8. So this is perfect already. This is easy. Now, if we have another example like this, x to the power 4 plus 7x squared plus 12. This is not perfect. This is a trinomial, three terms, but not perfect. So we can factor it by finding the sum here is 7 and the product is 12. So x squared plus 3, x squared plus 4. So what is our question? It is not perfect squared, and it is not like this. So we call it almost perfect, very close to the perfect, a little far from this one. So what can we do? The almost means the middle term should be 2ab. So here we need 2x squared, which is the square root of this, and the square root of this is 5. So we need 2x squared and 5, which is 10x squared in the middle. See the middle term here. We need 10x squared. We don't have it, but the 25 is there. So what can we do? Just get an idea of adding 9x squared. At the same time, we have to subtract 9x squared. That's the whole idea. Now, it's important here to note that we cannot add 9x squared only to the question to make this one here, the middle term, 10x squared. Because if we add only 9x squared, we are changing the question, and we cannot change the question. So we have to add and subtract. So we say here plus 9x squared minus 9x squared to the whole expression. Now I take x squared, 9x squared, I add them together, they become plus 10x squared. I leave the minus 9x squared. Now, this expression here and this expression there, they are the same. And they are the same also as the given. Now we notice here the first three terms are perfect. See this one here, x power 4 plus 10x squared plus 25. So we can use this formula here, perfect square trinomial. So it becomes x squared plus 5 all squared minus, I put here 9x squared in the bracket, 3x all squared. This number here inside is a, and this number here is inside is b. So I can use this formula, a squared minus b squared, which is a plus b, a minus b, and we call it difference between two squares, or difference of two squares, the same. Now we have x squared plus 5, x squared plus 5, which is a plus b plus 3x minus 3x. And then I can write in the neat way the question. This is the complete factoring. X to the power 4 plus x squared plus 25. This is the given. We can write it as x squared plus 3x plus 5 times x squared minus 3x plus 5. You can try it if you like, multiply these, you will get this one. I will leave one extra question to practice if you like. Just try to factor the expression completely. Very similar here. We have x to the power 4 plus x squared plus 1. Now the answer, the complete answer actually is on the next slide. Please try it first to check your knowledge. Now we can find the answer there, complete. And then for more questions on factoring, please you can visit the playlist, either all the exams questions, factoring 2 terms, 3 terms, or 4 terms. There are many questions there, or you can go to the complete algebra course, lectures 10, 11, and 12. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, you can subscribe and share it with your friends. I hope I can see you in another video with another topic. Thank you for listening.